are Kakamega County. Okay? Then they elect a government. Okay? Just as they elect a national government. They elect two governments. They elect a county government and they elect a national government. But they remain as the people of Kakamega. So the people of Kakamega can organize themselves. The constitution we have created allows the people of Kakamega or the people of Nairobi or the people of Kilifi to organize themselves. The county governments can endorse what they are doing. Yeah? And what we have done is county governments have come out, the assemblies, because those are the ones which represent the people, not the executive. Several county assemblies have said, we endorse the people, because they are part of the people. The county assembly, the MCAs, if you talk about the principle of subsidiarity, the person who is elected the closest to the people is the person who has the most political legitimacy to represent those people. So the most important representative in Kenya of the people is the MCA. Because he's the one who can speak. Just like if you go now right down to the family, yeah? The family is the most important unit and it can speak for itself in society. So the smaller the unit is, the more authority it can speak for. Because they can speak more for the people in that ward than the president can speak for the people in Kenya. Because the higher you go, the more diverse the people are. So the importance of a people-driven process to be as close as the people as possible, yeah, is the reason why we have taken it to the county level.